In this video, we're going to learn how to use an app called Ultimate Zenanim, which is a very practical app, both for our class and also, as you will appreciate, for many situations as you travel. The app is called Ultimate Zenanim, as we mentioned. You open it up, and you will see a lot of information on displayed. We're going to start from the top down. The first thing that we see is today's calendar. It tells us the Hebrew date, which is the 6th day of Cheshvan, Thursday. If we press on the date, look at the bottom, you'll see that you can change the date, you can change the month, you can change the day, the year, and that way allows you to figure out the time for a particular day in the future. Going back to the top, we now look at the location. We can change also the place. As you understand by now, the times change depending on how far away you are from the equator, north or south, but also based on the season of the year. So the app gives you the times for the city where you are presently living, but you can also change it and say, I'm traveling to England or to Japan or to Israel, and I want to look at the times for davening at that particular place. That's how I access those times, by looking at the location. The next thing is we go down and we look at the time. The name of the parsha is Lech Lecha. Then it tells us when Shabbat begins. Shabbat begins 18 minutes before sundown, which in Miami this Friday is 6:24. Then it tells us the time when Shabbat ends, 7:31. Tells us the Daf Yomi for those people who learn a Daf of Gemara every day. Tells us the name of the Mesechet and the page number. And then it gets to what we're learning in our Mishnah, and that is the today's Zmanim. The first man that it mentions is Alot HaShachar, which is the first light in the morning, which is at 6:16 on Friday. And that Alot HaShachar is the end of night, meaning that even though in English we call 5, 6 in the morning, but in Halacha, nighttime continues until Alot HaShachar, when the first light comes up. The next time that is displayed in the app is Mishayakir. Mishayakir means from the time that you can recognize. That's an expression in the Gemara that means when there's enough light outside that you can recognize a semi-familiar face, then you can already put on tefillin, you can put on your talit, make a bracha, and on Friday morning that will be at 6:39 a.m. The next time that is displayed is Netzach Chama, that is sunrise, 7:25 a.m. Then we have two times which are related to Kriyat Shema. We have not learned that yet, but later on we will be learning that. We're going to skip down to Sof Zman Tefillah, and you see that there are two times for Sof Zman Tefillah, the end time for davening Tefillat Shacharit, the morning prayer. So first we have the calculation according to the Magen Avraham, which is at 10:47 a.m., and then the same Sof Zman Tefillah, but calculated by the Vilna Gaon, which is a little bit later. The reason for that has to do, as we will learn in class, because there's a discussion of how the daytime is calculated. Is it from sunrise to sunset, or from dawn, from the first light until it gets dark? So that's why we have two different Zmanim. The next time displayed is Chatzot, that's midday, which in Miami on Friday it's 1:04. Then we have Mincha Gedola, that is the earliest time for davening Mincha, which on Friday will be 1:32, half hour after Chatzot. Then we have various other times, which we're going to skip until Shkiat Chama, and that is sundown. And then finally we have Tzeta Kochavim, when the stars come out, and that is 7:18, or another Tzet Kochavim, which is a little later, 7:55, because some hold that you should wait 72 minutes after sundown, so that would be, for example, for the calculation when Shabbat ends. So again, this is a very practical app. We're going to be using it in class, so hopefully you review it and make sure that you know how to use it, how to change the location, and how to change the date as well.